Hello. This is how I set up Sophia Wynn's videos. So first we have to go to OBS. Okay, since we're here, this is what it's gonna look like if you're new to it. So first I'm gonna rename the scene to Story, since Sophia Wynn's do Story. Okay, now we gotta go to Sources and add um, we're gonna do the background first, so images. So now you pick your image. Okay, I'll choose this one. And there we go. Now we have our background. You can adjust it if you want. Okay, so next we'll add the story. So we go press add in sources. Well, actually, first you need to open the story page. Okay, now you want to go to window capture. Oh, press OK. So you want to pick the window that has like the page with the numbers like that, and press OK. Now you have the story. All you have to do now is to put it full screen, and then you adjust the size just like so. Okay, when you have it small enough, you have to take out the gray parts. By doing that, if you're on a Mac, you hold Option and then you slide the sides, and if you're on any other PC, it's Alt. You hold Alt. Okay, so when you finish cropping it, you will have to resize it so it's big enough, just like that. Okay, after you finish that, now we'll add the video. So you go press the plus button, go to video capture device, press OK. Now select the device you're gonna use your video, and if you need to like change the preset and stuff, you just change it as well. Okay, just like that. Okay, after you've done that, you press OK, and now we just have to crop the video so you don't have to take out unnecessary parts. And then all you have to do after that is resize the video. Okay, after that, now you need to put the green screen on. So all you have to do is right click the capture device like I'm about to do. Okay, now you want to press filters and add an effect filter. You want to press chroma key. Press OK. And then if you see the gray thing, then that means you are correct and it's working. Now you press close, and there you go. Your green screen is now working. And now you can also add audios. For this, you go to audio input capture, you add your audio device, and now you're done. This next part will be optional. You don't have to do it, but this is what I do for Sophia Wynn's video. You don't really need to do these parts, but if you want, you can. Okay, now I am going to add the quote section. So first we need to go to scenes, and we need to add another scene. I'm gonna rename it to quotes. Press OK when you're done. Now, to make it quicker, we can go back to the story scene and copy the video capture device by Command C or Control C, and then you paste it by using Control V on the quote side. I also do this with the audio input capture. After you've done this, you just need to add a background of your quote. So I'm gonna go to Image, press OK when you're done, and then you choose your picture with your quote. I'll be choosing this one. Okay, so it might look a little big, so you're gonna have to shorten it by dragging it in and out until it gets small enough to readjust it to get bigger. Since this one can't fit all the way, I guess I'll have to stretch it. So to stretch it, all you have to do is hold shift and drag it down, like I'm about to do in a sec. Like that. And then you can just crop out the rest of the extra pieces. You might be wondering why your video is under the quote or the image. So you can fix this very easily. So all you have to do is go down to these little arrows and just move it all the way to the bottom. And there you go. Okay, now I am going to add the scene for the transference verse. So all you have to do is add another scene, and I'll name it to transference verse, like that. And it's pretty simple, just like quotes. All you have to do is copy the video capture device and the audio input capture, just like that. Okay. After that, we just have to add another background for the transference verse. So I pick image again, press OK, select the image that I'm going to be using, which is this one. Okay, now all you have to do is press OK and resize the picture, and put the background behind your video by pressing the down arrow in the bottom, just like this. And there you go. In this part of the video, I'm gonna show you the equipments that we are using for the videos. And this is the setup of our equipments for the videos. We have a good amount of lighting for the green screen, and this is our green screen. Our green screen is just a green cloth on a trifold board. This is the webcam camera that we use. And this is our microphone that we use for the video. Here are some quick notes. When you close OBS and open it again, all of these settings should be saved except the window capture for the story. All you have to do is redo the window capture again and it'll be fixed. Well, that's all I have to say, and I hope this video helps you for recording.